Hi, and welcome to Nisi's Food Journey. Today we're making my son's special cupcakes. We make these on special occasions and his birthday. They are vegan. He can have eggs, but he can't have dairy, and he's gluten sensitive. So don't let that fool you, though. Just because they're vegan doesn't mean they're not delicious. They're absolutely delicious. You really can't tell. You don't miss all those ingredients. So here we go. I'm going to start with some flour. You can use regular all-purpose flour, of course. Some sugar. And then we're going to go in with some baking soda. This recipe will be in the description box, by the way. And some baking powder. We also added some salt, and now we're going to combine all of these dry ingredients. I like to use coconut oil, which first requires some melting for sure in the microwave. There you go. You can use vegetable oil or any oil you like. I just like the coconut. And here's my secret for making all baked goods taste so good. It's almond milk. Even if the recipe isn't dairy-free, I still use almond milk. It gives such a lovely flavor and a really moist texture to anything that you're baking. And we have some apple cider vinegar. And these are very vanilla cupcakes, so they use a lot of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, in fact. There you go. And there you go. Now you want to stir everything to combine. It's okay if there's a few lumps left over. You don't want to over mix it. You just want to make sure all the dry and wet ingredients are well mixed together, well blended. I like to use a cookie scoop. This way we know that each cupcake has the same amount of filling. And I like to do about 2 per cupcake. There we go. Looking good. They're now ready to go into the oven. But first we have to say hello to Spencer. Hello, Spencer. In the oven they go, 350 for... The recipe says 18 minutes, but really I think we ended up doing about 22. I did not opt for homemade frosting this time. I went for this. It's quite good. You can get it in any grocery store, and my son loves it because it comes with these little sprinkles, which he absolutely loves, and it tastes really good. I hope you enjoy these cupcakes, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please give it a like and subscribe.